Welcome back to Forex Troubles. Today we'll be analyzing NAS100 and US30. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. As you have seen on our previous video, we did manage to drive NAS100 off from this point over here up until right over here. We can see that we did hit our overall take profit. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame, you could see this was the long movement from NAS100. So currently we are right over here. So what would be our next move? So the reason we did not make any videos the past few weeks is because we are waiting for all the setups to be complete. So the US30 and the NAS100 one. Now let us just focus on the NAS100. Can't delete this. So this is what we have currently, and we can see from this point over here we have been going to the upper side. But if we just try to put it over here, it doesn't make sense. So I'm just gonna let's put it over here to cater for most of the touches. We can just leave it right over there, wherever it was. But the correct setup after what happened, I think it's this one over here. So currently there's not much to say, but all I can say, we're on the third touch on a trend line. So yeah, we can just put it over here, guys. I don't know which one is better. Okay, let us leave it over here. So this is what we have currently. So you can see that USD is over this area here, and if we zoom in a little bit, we can see a pin back and just stick right over here. This could indicate a push to the upper side. So let me just move to the 1 hour time frame to confirm if we are still pushing to the lower side or to the upper side. But we are not going to be hasty with this one because we are below this line over here. So the correct line is this one over here that we had. Okay, let me zoom in out. Okay, so this is what you have. So I'm gonna try and figure out what's really going on over here. So we have this level, we have this level right over here, and let me see, we have a level over here. We do have a level over here as well. And what about this area here? We do have another level right over there. So having this level right over here says a lot about NAS100. We could anticipate a push if the market breaks this level over here. Let me change the color to red or blue so you can now see. If the market breaks this blue line, we can say we anticipated the sellers. But if the market respects this area here, starting from over here and push to the upper side, if the market breaks this level over here, we are looking for the buyers. So what I'm saying is that on NAS100, all we have to do is just wait for the market to reach this area here before we go for the buyers. I'll just put the overall take profit over there, and our stop loss right over here. So this could be our overall setup, but there's something going on here. So let me just try to zoom in fast so I can see what's really going on here. Okay, so I think we have this here. So this is in terms of the 15-minute time frame. So I think I have to go to the 15-minute time frame. Let me change this to a line. Okay. There's an expanding channel that I'm seeing here. I could just put it over here. Let's see. So this is kind of hard for me because it's on the lower time frame. So I think it's over here, guys. I think it's over here. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I am. Let us move to the 15. I don't want to waste time on this, guys. This is quite obvious. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, it's quite clear that we have first, second, third touch, first, second, third touch. So we are going for, as I'm saying, guys, let's be careful with this because you can hit this area here and push to lower side. So let us be careful with this entry level right up here. So I prefer guys who use the correct loss size, the the most possible smallest lot size you could use, because it's kind of risky over here, unless you can just gain more trades after seeing that the market did bounce off from this area here. Maybe after here it touches the area and push to the upper side. So if you see a retest on this green level, let me change it to a blue level so you all can see it. Okay, and let me change this one to a black so you won't get confused of. Okay, so if you see a retest over here on the black line, you can scale more trades starting from the breakout, the neck breakout over here. Enter here and you can with the smallest lot size, and if you see a retest on top of this line and a breakout here, you can just get in more trades up until the overall take profit. But for now, this is all we have for NAS100. So let us move to US30. Okay, so now we are on US30. So as you've seen from here, we did have a long ride up until over there. Somewhere up there, we did have a good ride with US30. So now you can see I've already laid out all the levels that are seeing on the market. So yeah, so let me not waste any time and just get into it. So this is what we have initially. So I hope you all did profitize or made a lot of profit on US30. If you didn't, I don't know, but yeah, this is what we have, because we did have a good ride with US30 and we did hit the first take profits. We nearly hit the second take profit, but we couldn't. But I hope you all were locked most of your profits after the first take profit, as I said. Yeah, so currently this is what we have. So I'll just move to the 4-hour time frame so I can see what I'm doing in more detail. Okay, so this is what we have. So on our previous video, we had something like this. So unfortunately I did remove the charts, guys, I'm sorry. But from here we did enter here and we did push up until this area right over here. Nearly hit our second take profit, but we couldn't, and we saw the market going down. So from this point here, guys, even if you did not close, you're still in profits even now. So yeah, now we can see that US30 came back down to retest this trend line over here. This could mean only one thing, because US30 is above this area now, and we're seeing a pin bar candlestick. We are still looking for the buyers. So those who did not get the opportunity to get in with the buyers last time, this is another opportunity for you all to get with the buyers. So this is what we have. Let me use this so I can be accurate when it comes to my stop loss. Now our stop loss won't be here now because we can see already here. So for those who are still in profits, it's okay to just leave your stop loss right over there. But for the new ones, you can just put it right over here. Oh no, also for those ones who are in the trade, they could just adjust their stop loss for safety purposes. Okay, this is what you have, guys. This is what you have. There's not much going on. I can just show you the daily time frame to show you what we have. Bear in mind, guys, this is the first, second, third. On the third touch, we're testing it again. So you can see a potential push to the upper side up until this area right over here. But I'm not gonna put it over here because I know most of you are gonna leave the trade riding up until right over here. Oh guys, most of you all agreed, but it's fine. I just hope you just pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay, so this is our setup for this upcoming week, and then we're gonna have our first take profit right over here. The first one, second one over here, as this place seems not to, because it's possible that the market could fail to break this level again, and the third one right over here, and the overall one right over there. So this is the setup for US30 that we have. I could just move to the 1 hour time frame and see what's going on here, because there's something occurring right over there. If I can see what it is. Let me use this, sorry. Okay, let me go to the 15. There's nothing much yet. Okay, what are we seeing? What are we seeing? I don't usually analyze on the 15. I just use the 15 to see what is the market doing at the current moment. So, because it's possible for we usually use the 15 to confirm the trades, because it's possible for the market to just turn back for no reason, and it's due to the 15. So as you can see, it's possible for the market first, second. We don't have a third touch yet. First, second, third. So it's possible for the market to just touch this area first before pushing to the upper side. Just make sure you get it off first, because you can see what's going on over here. As you can see on this kind of like a level right over here. So when the market breaks this level, let's say you see a push here, a retest here, push, good. Or maybe if you see from here a push and a retest on top of this line over here, just know you're going for a good bias. But it's possible for now for the market to reach this area here, just to test this level first before it pushes to the upper side. So this is a possible scenario, just pay attention to it. But on an overall market view, we are looking for straight bias from the US30. I just hope this is not any manipulation. So yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Rebels signing out.